All right, scholars, today we're working on word work, pages 4, 5, and 6. This is page 4. Whoop. And it should say at the top, word study level 2. All right, so looking at the first section, it says read each sentence, circle yes or no. So we read this sentence and then we decide if it's true or not. A muffin could hiccup. Well, a muffin is a food, and a hiccup is something that we do with our body. So muffins aren't alive. So can they do that? Yes or no? No, they cannot. Okay, so let's try the next one. A chipmunk could jump on an oblong button. So a chipmunk is an animal, so he can jump. An oblong button, it just means it's like shaped kind of like an oval. And a button is something that's sewn on to clothes. So I think that if a button was on the ground, a chipmunk could jump on it. So I'm going to say yes. Okay, so you're going to do that for the rest of these. We're going to read them together. Number 3, a tomcat could munch on lunch. Number 4, you could hitch a Mustang to a truck. Number 5, a summit is at the bottom. Number 6, a blossom could slump if it is too hot. Number 7, a cotton pom-pom would be strong. Number 8, people should fill out ballots in public. Number 9, a glutton could attack a vat of jam. 10, you should disrupt a skunk who has a snack. 11, on campus, you could get a suntan. So if you come across any of these words and you don't know what they mean, you need to get up and get a dictionary so you can look it up. If you're still having questions after you've looked up the word, then you need to ask for help. Don't just guess, okay? All right, at the second part, it says put each phrase, set of words, a phrase is a set of words, in the correct list. So we have several different phrases, and then it has 2 lists as would be on a lunch table or would not be on a lunch table. All right, so let's try the first one, dented dishes. Well, we eat off of dishes, right? And sometimes they're dented, so I think they might go on a table. Dented dishes. So then we'll mark that one out. So let's try one that's not going to be on a lunch table. Are you going to eat Mustangs? Probably not. So dashing Mustangs would not be on a lunch table. Dashing Mustangs. Oops, I ran out of room. All right, so you're going to figure out for the rest of these, you have a bunch of fish sticks, cotton cloths, chips and hot dogs, socks with patches, an oblong coffin, whisks that splash, a fishing tomcat, strong branches. So you're deciding if it would be on a lunch table or would not be on a lunch table. Do not worry about this guy at the bottom, the star. We don't ever do those. Once you finish this one, you're going to move on to page 5. Then you're going to move to page 6. And once you've finished all 3 sheets, then you can work on your missing listen and respond, or you can hop to Lexia or IXL.